Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to see how we can run our first test case using WebdriverIO. So if you have seen the previous video, the config file was created and all the node modules including the single test with page objects and specs. So I'll open one of the test case which we have here. It's a simple test case. So we are taking the login page and secure page from here. From the page objects, these are the login page. These are the page objects for everything. Secure page. Let me run this. How do we run this? So if you see the package.json, there is a command wdio. If I run npm run wdio, so the browser has now launched, so it will start. So internet hero app, so it will log in, click on login. So yeah, that's it. So one passed, one total, 100% completed. So yeah, that's how we can easily run the test case. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care, have a great day, bye bye.